So what we have is right here, we have your Stealth Trojan Final, and to the left, we have TTC NetSwitch. Now you could have delivered, yes, TTC NetSwitch. I'm sure you haven't heard of this program because it's brand new.
No, sir.
And so I actually wanted to catch your initial impressions here in the demo of the program. Now, you could have delivered this Trojan to me via a USB, via software bundled with other software, via an email, etc. And one thing that we tell all of our users is before you open any email, install USB or anything, click here on the hacker deterrent button and turn it to black. And
there's a hacker deterrent button.
There is a hacker deterrent button. And let's see what the hacker deterrent button does. We're going to click on your Trojan. And I'm opening your Trojan. And I'm going to say run anyway, which everyone does, especially if they think it's Skype or something like that.
Yeah.
So
you gotta get a little second to connect here.
Theoretically, your Trojan should be trying. Now, does this look familiar? duckdns.org?
Yes, sir.
So you see, your Trojan is trying to talk out to duckdns.org, but it's not making it through because our program is blocking it. It's stopping it from talking to you. But do you also notice we're still using the internet because I'm talking to you right now via the internet?
But you just pressed a button that says hacker deterrent. How does it know you're in?
So anyway, we'll get to exactly how it works. But notice that it lets me continue using the internet, but let's return control to your screen to see, do you see anything on my computer right now?
No, sir, because my Trojan has been unable to connect.
So Mickey, let's show people what would happen if we either allowed the Trojan to talk to you, or at first we didn't know the Trojan was talking to you because we didn't use the hacker deterrent button. And we see now that duckdns.org is green, which means that the Trojan is indeed talking to you. So when the Trojan is communicating back, can you see the files that are on my computer?
Yes, I can. Let's see here, manage file browser, and I can look through pretty much anything on the computer. Desktop, documents, downloads, etc., etc.
So everything on the bottom, those are all my files. Can you transfer files off my computer onto yours?
Yeah, let's see this kicker folder. I can press download. And I open my downloads, and let's see where it is.
Now, would I see that you're downloading it, or I mean, I'm now seeing your screen. So on my screen, this is all happening in the background. You're able to download files, and I'm not seeing it. You can upload files from your computer, and I'm not seeing it. Now,
yeah, I can put anything I want, like this picture here, upload to your desktop.
Okay.
Refresh it, and then there it is.
So now you've just put a file from your computer onto mine, and if I wasn't watching your desktop, which we are, that would all be happening in the background, and I wouldn't even know that you did that.
Yeah, yeah.
Now what about keystrokes? Because the thing that's how we enter in our passwords, our credit card numbers. That's how we type our emails. That's where we. Can you see everything that I type?
Yep, right here, surveillance, monitor the keyboard, and it's that simple.
Okay, so if I were to type in a password, yep,
there it is, password at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That is the password that I just typed in. If I were to type in a credit card number, this is not my real credit card number.
There it goes.
Yep, that is.
And I can do anything. I can copy it to do whatever I want.
All right, so what I'm going to do that you cannot see, but I want to be watching your desktop while I do this, I'm going to now act as a user who just noticed that you're there, And with a single click of the mouse, I just cut you off. So now can you see
Well, I
my,
was loading your screen. I was loading your screen to watch along with you, but it appears to have stalled.
well, so now can you see my
Oh.
keystrokes?
No, you're gone from the client entirely.
Okay, let me bring you back to my desktop now through the video conference software. All I did is click one click and shut you off. Have you ever seen any software like this before?
So really, you just killed every Trojan that.
Every Trojan that can be made is gone. Every Trojan maker requires that you either provide your IP address or a DNS name.
So now, because you took away anywhere for it to connect or any how for it to connect, that's it.
That's right. Even if you
The
have
Trojan could run all at once, but
Yep, even if you wrote a Trojan that tries to communicate through different ports, resurrects itself when it gets killed, it still can't talk out to you, so therefore it's as good as dead.